knocking inside the car. No, this is not the beginning of this story.
Few minutes earlier.
Wow, such a beauty. Hello guys, I want you to take a good look at this babe. This babe is very beautiful, very sexy, and very curvaceous. And the guy beside her is her fiance. They are about to get married. They look happy together. But something is about to happen. A strange man, a total stranger that is standing beside his car, flashes some dollar bills to her, and she got carried away immediately. In that moment, she is not herself anymore. Even the groceries they came out to buy, she could not buy anything. She and her fiance goes back to the house. She can't resist the temptation of the money. She is totally worried. She keeps thinking about the money. She keeps thinking about how she can lay her hands on the stranger's money. All these thoughts has been so cloudy in her mind that she does not even know what to do next. She throws her virtue and her value into the gutter just because of dollar bills temptation. On getting to the gate, she now devised a means to have a private time with the stranger with the dollars by telling her fiance that she now remembers what she wanted to buy. When her fiance wants to follow her, she told him not to worry, that she will go all alone. Sometimes in life, some people go just shock you, because some people actually have the capacity to shock you. So buckle your seatbelt as it is about to go down. On getting to the stranger with the dollars, the stranger tells her that he is ready to give her $10,000 if she will let him knock her inside the car right then and right there. To my utmost surprise, she agreed to knock the man inside the car right then and right there.
Kí ló dé? Wọ́n fine ló fine ni, wọ́n dánmọ́ náà dá ẹ ni. What happened? Such a beaut. Wow, check it out.
According to the wise ones, money is the root of all evil. The quest for money is the downfall of a lot of people. But at the same time, money is good. Money answereth all things. When money speaks, poverty disappears. As a matter of fact, Sapa can never be your friend if you have the money.
Obìnrin. Oh my God! Wow!
After the knocking, the stranger gave her the $10,000 and she kept the money inside her cloth. The minute the stranger gave her the money, she was very, very happy. She felt on top of the world. She felt like she has just won a jackpot. Then she promised to call the man again, maybe to have another nice time and collect another dollar bills. Some people are just born to do this. They will do it and they will act like nothing has happened. Some people, they actually call them chop and clean mouth. When you do something, you will just act indifferent, like nothing has happened. Don't even think about it, because this is not the end of this story. What you do in the dark shall come to light.
Uncle Jeff.
Yeah, what's up?
Yeah, good to see you again.
This beautiful lady is in for a big surprise, because her fiance happens to be a nephew to the stranger with the dollar bills, the man that just knocked her in the car. She is so shocked that she doesn't know what to do.
So, yeah. Oh, sit down. Yeah. So this is the love of my life I've been talking to you about, you know.
She doesn't know whether to leave or stay. She is now looking at herself like, wow, I have taken the worst of all decisions in life. She took the very baddest step. This is about to blow up in her face. Boom. Anybody that you meet, not just any woman that you meet that truly loves you. Sometimes, you know, some fake love will come in disguise. True. You would think they truly love you. At the end of the day, you just find out that, okay, it's just what you have that they love.
Uncle, it's not like this one.
She's feeling so uncomfortable. She is still hoping and praying that the uncle should not tell her fiance what just happened between them. But you can't eat your cake and have it at the same time. The test we set up.
She pass it. I told you, this one loves me so dearly. She will pass it. I told you. She loves me.
See, she failed woefully. I did tell you. This lady you are looking at, she's just here for the money. I knocked this baby inside my car for dollars.
Sir! Uncle, what are you talking about? I don't understand.
Now that the uncle has let the cat out of the bag, a secret has been exposed. There is nowhere to run to. There is nowhere to hide. Her fiance is so angry, she now realized her mistake. She will regret her decision forever.
With you.
I don't have any dollars, so don't.
Why are you standing? I don't. What is happening?
This girl doesn't love you.
Hey!
Maybe I come and bring the dollars. Wait now. Wait now. You will see what I'm saying now.
Hey! Uncle?
Yes.
Okay, wait. let me ask. Is it that you bet her and you dash her dollar or what?
I did not dash her the dollars. She gave me something in return for the dollars. I'm telling you, this babe, I knocked this babe inside my car.
Hey!
I am telling you. Bring out the second note now, the second bill. Bring them out, bring them. You are not living here with one single shishi. I enticed her with the dollars.
Yay!
And she fell for it.
No!
After knocking her, she collected the dollars. Now this is my, look at it now. This is my money.
You use dollar to waive my babe.
No.
Uncle, $200.
I gave her this money after knocking her.
After baby.
They play.
Yay!
They play. They play. See, the ball is now in your court. I'm not saying you should not marry her. You can go ahead and marry her.
God will punish me if I will marry her.
Before I kill somebody here.
Tell me, my uncle, that there is nothing, no kind of test they will give you that you will pass it. But thank God you disappointed me.
I think she has your ring already.
Give me my ring.
Remove it.
Baby, please, I still love you.
Thunder will fire you. You love. Come on, give me my ring.
Uncle. God will bless you.
Amen.
Do you know I was about to buy a car on our birthday? Just 2 days to come now. On our birthday. I've already ordered for the car.
Stand up now before I kill somebody here.
Thank you. Stand up. Stand up. I said stand up. Before I open my eye, if I see, if I open my eye and see you here again, you see this bottle, I will scatter it on your head. It's your couple. Nonsense.
Ladies and gentlemen, I hope we have been able to learn 1 or 2 things from this video. Thank you for watching. God bless you all. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know how you feel in the comment section. I will be waiting for you there. Please watch this video, share this video, like and comment. Tell your loved ones about this video. Yes, please follow my page. Bye.